Hey everyone, welcome back to ClearTalk English. I'm Sarah. So Mark, quick question. Have you ever met someone new and had absolutely no idea what to say in English?
Oh, yes. I remember a work event once. A lady said, "How do you do?" And I just smiled and said nothing. So embarrassed.
That is so relatable. Well, today we fix that. By the end of this episode, you'll know 50 real English phrases for daily life. Greetings, small talk, asking for help, everything you need to sound natural. Sound good?
It sounds great. I really wish I had this episode before that work event.
Let's go. Okay, let's start with greetings. Mark, what do you say when you meet someone for the first time at work?
I usually say, "Hello, my name is Mark. Nice to meet you." Is that okay?
Perfect. Nice to meet you is a classic. Phrase number 1. And the natural reply is, nice to meet you too. Simple, right?
Yes. And how do you do? Is that common?
Good question. How do you do is very formal, a little old-fashioned. The strange thing is, the answer is also, how do you do? You don't actually answer the question.
Wait, really? That's so strange.
I know. So for everyday use, just say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name?" Simple and friendly. Now with friends, hey or hi instead of hello. And instead of how are you, say what's up or how's it going?
And if I see a friend after a long time?
Long time no see. Phrase 8. Very common, very friendly. It means you haven't seen the person for a while.
Your turn. Repeat out loud. Hi, I'm your name. Nice to meet you.
Quick check. Someone says, "What's up?" What's a good reply? A, "I am fine, thank you very much." B, "Not much, you?" C, "How do you do?" Answer B.
Great start. 8 phrases down. You already know how to open any conversation in English.
Next, agreeing and disagreeing without sounding rude. Mark, most common way to agree.
Just, yes, I agree, but that sounds a bit serious.
Right. In conversation, say exactly or you're so right or I think so too. My personal favorite is totally. Very American and casual.
I love totally. And absolutely?
Absolutely is great. Strong agreement. And that makes sense is perfect when you understand someone's point.
That makes sense. I just used it.
You're a natural. Now, disagreeing. In English, people don't say, "No, you're wrong" directly. They soften it. Try, "I see your point, but..." You show respect first, then give your opinion.
Like, I see your point, but I think mornings are better for studying.
Exactly. Also, "I'm not sure about that." Gentle. Or, "To be honest, I prefer evenings." When you're really not sure, say, "It depends." Honest, and it gives you time to think.
I use "it depends" in every language.
Say it out loud. "I see your point, but I think evenings are better."
Quick check. How do you softly disagree in English? A, "No, that is wrong." B, "I see your point, but..." Or C, "Totally."
Answer B. 18 phrases done. You're nearly a third of the way there, and you already know how to open any conversation in English. Requests and offers. Super practical. Mark, if you need help carrying something heavy, what do you say?
Help me, please?
It works, but it's a little direct. Better, "Could you help me with this, please?" Or, "Can you give me a hand?" Give me a hand is an idiom meaning help me. Very common.
I like that. And at a restaurant?
Say, could I have some more water, please? Or can I get another glass? Notice we say could or can, much more polite than just give me water. Please don't say that in a restaurant.
Noted. And would you mind?
Would you mind opening the window? Very polite, British English. Now for offering help. Can I help you? In shops or with friends? Do you need a hand?
And if someone offers and I don't need help?
Thanks, I've got it. Phrase 28. It means I can manage, thank you. Sounds very natural.
I'm going to use that today.
Your turn. Say, could you give me a hand, please?
Quick check. Someone offers to help, you don't need it. What do you say? A, no. B, I am not needing help. C, thanks, I've got it.
Answer C. Halfway there, 28 phrases. You can now ask for anything and offer help like a native speaker. Seriously, that's huge. Time and plans. This comes up every single day. Mark, someone asks, are you free Friday? What do you say?
If I'm free, yes, I'm free. If not, sorry, I'm busy on Friday.
Perfect. Also, I'm available on Friday. Same meaning, slightly more formal, and a polite way to buy time. Let me check my schedule and get back to you.
Get back to you means I'll answer you later, right?
Exactly. Very common at work. And what time works for you is brilliant. You put the other person in control. Very polite.
And to suggest a time?
How about Saturday morning? How about is perfect for suggestions. How about coffee? How about 3 p.m.? And to confirm, see you then. If plans change, can we reschedule or can we move it to Friday?
These work for emails too. I need them at work.
Absolutely. Emails and conversations, same phrases.
Say it. How about Thursday at 3? Let me know what works for you.
36 phrases, 72% done. You can now plan, schedule, and reschedule anything entirely in English. Seriously, that's huge. Social phrases, being polite and kind. Mark, when someone does something really big for you, what do you say?
Thank you so much. Is there something stronger?
Yes, I really appreciate it. Very sincere. That's so kind of you, warm and personal. And I owe you one means I'll help you back someday. Informal and friendly.
I owe you one. Love it. And the reply to thank you?
You're welcome, no problem, of course. Or the very American, anytime, meaning I'm always happy to help. Now, apologies. Sorry or I'm sorry for everyday things. For something more serious, I apologize, formal. I'm really sorry about that. The really shows you mean it.
And compliments. English speakers give a lot, right?
Especially Americans. I love your shirt. You did a great job. That was amazing. And important, when you receive a compliment, accept it. Don't say, oh no, it's nothing. Just say, thank you. That's so nice of you.
I always say, oh no, it's not good. I need to stop that.
Yes, accept the compliment. It's a cultural thing, and it makes the other person feel good too.
Say it with feeling. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Quick check. Someone says, I love your accent. What's the best reply?
A, no, it is terrible. B, thank you. That's so nice of you. C, I owe you one.
Answer B.
44 phrases, only 6 to go. You've just learned the most important social phrases in English. You're doing brilliantly.
Last section, small talk and reactions. Mark, are you good at small talk?
Honestly, no. I always talk about the weather and then silence.
Weather is a classic and actually fine. Nice weather today, isn't it? But there are others. How was your weekend? Is super common on Mondays. How are things? Simple and open.
And you reply with,
Pretty good. Can't complain. Great expression means things are fine or not bad, keep me busy. People say this when they have a lot of work. Both sound very natural.
I hear keeping busy all the time now that you mention it.
And reactions. In English, people express emotions a lot. Surprising news, no way, or are you serious? Or I can't believe it. Bad news, oh no, or that's terrible. Great news, that's awesome, or how exciting.
These are the phrases I hear in every movie. They'll sound natural when I say them too.
Exactly, and they will. The key is practice. Use them even in small conversations today.
Say all 3 surprise reactions out loud. No way. Are you serious? I can't believe it.
50 phrases done. You just completed the full episode. That's genuinely impressive. Every single phrase you practice today is used by real native speakers every single day. And that's 50 phrases, everyone. Let's do a quick recap. Greetings, nice to meet you, and long time no see. Agreeing, exactly, and that makes sense. Disagreeing, I see your point, but. Requests, could you give me a hand? Offers, thanks, I've got it. Time, what time works for you? And how about Saturday? Social, I really appreciate it, and I owe you one. Small talk, can't complain. Reactions, no way, and that's awesome.
When you list them all, it's a lot, but they all feel natural now because we use them in real conversation. Oh, and Sarah, I want to add something. I actually learned one today I never knew. Thanks, I've got it. I love that one.
See, even the co-host learned something new. That's the secret. Phrases in context stick. Now here's your question for today. Which of these 50 is completely new for you? Leave it in the comments. We read every single one.
And if this helped you, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow.
Subscribe for new episodes every week. Practical English for real life. Mark, final words?
Just use one phrase today. Just one. Say, can't complain to someone. You'll see, it feels great.
I love that. One phrase a day. Thank you all so much for listening. Take care, and we'll see you in the next episode.
See you next time.